Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be creating a booking website. Now this website can be used for hotel booking, bus booking, um, ticket booking, which is airplane booking. So it's fully a booking website that you can use to create a booking platform for your business, right? If you are into hotel booking, ticket booking, that's flight ticket booking, bus booking, whatever form of booking, this website is going to help you manage it. And I'm going to show you how to set it up in a single click and without wasting time. So what we're going to use, or the platform we're going to use for this, is Azura. As you can see, I've been using Azura recently because of their cheap plan. And to register here, I have an affiliate link in the description of this video. So all you just have to do is to come to Azura, pick your plan, which is website hosting plan. Start with a $1 per month. That will give you $12 per year plan, because it's okay if you're starting out. Now you click on view plan, and when your website get bigger, you start choosing other plans, right? So once you click on view plan, it will ask you which of the plan you want. And now don't actually go for direct admin. Always prefer to go for cPanel, because direct admin has less compatibility and cPanel has more when it comes to uh, working and stuff like that. So that's it. So as you can see, the difference there is about 29 per month, 29 cent, 29 cent per month. So, but it's cool. So you click on order now. Now, once you click on order now, it will come up like this and ask you which domain name you want to use. So you have to search for your domain name. So let's say uh, Tesla TSLA booking.com. If this is what you want to use, something like this. Oh, there's a .com there already. So you click on check. It's going to check if it's available. As you can see, teslabooking.com, it's available. So you click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to be added to your cart. As you can see, it's added to my cart already. Now, once you come here, you look at your total, your sum total. For both your domain name and your hosting, you have about 22,000 naira. So then you continue. If you're using naira, now you can also change your currency to dollar. So you just come to here, select your country, and it will change your currency, right? So now we doing 22,000 for both domain name and the hosting. So you click here and make your payment. And once you make your payment, you are done. Now a cPanel details will be sent to your email, and you can use it to visit your cPanel just like this. So let me open my cPanel, how it looks. And let me clear this out first, because I just showed you how to buy it. I'm not actually purchasing for my own website. I'm using this for tutorial purpose. I already have the domain name that I purchased to use for you guys. So I'm going to empty the cart now. So now you have something like this, a cPanel like this, right? This is how a cPanel look, right? So this is a cPanel. Now this is where we begin the journey of building our website. So this is where we begin the journey of building our website. So the first thing we want to do is to look for file manager. So you can just search for it, file manager. This is file manager. You go to file manager. I'm going to open this in a new tab. But I already have it open. As you can see, this is file manager. The next thing is to upload the file that is responsible for such website. Now, ticket booking, flight booking, and all that, it's they are all done with either you code it yourself or you use a script. So this one I'm going to be using a script for this tutorial. So now I'm going to click on upload. Now as you can see, because I'm using now, if you come back to Azure, let me show you something. You go to service, go to order new service. Now on this domain plan, if you come up here, you see that on the start plan, you can have as much as 15 website domain on one hosting. If you're using this plan, if you're using this plan, which is 4,400 per month, you're going to have, you can use unlimited email. Now this one has 15 website and 15 database and 15 email accounts. So that means it is called an add-on domain can be added, right? So if you come to my own right now, you see that I have tutorials.com.ng. This is an add-on domain. But for your own, you don't have this. You won't have this. You're going to have just this public underscore HTML just like this, public underscore HTML. This is what you're going to have. So this is where you're going to upload your file. So here is going to be showing public underscore HTML. But for me, I'm using an add-on domain. So I'm going to say show here. So I'm going to click upload and select file. Now the file I'm going to use is already here, downloaded. It's PHP travels. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to upload. So this is the file that is responsible for building the website. You understand, guys? So this is the script responsible. So the next thing is going to click on go back. Now, mind you, everything about this video, all the links, all the necessary link and information are in the description of this video. So in case you want them, you can just go to the description of this video and click on any of the link. Now you click on extract file, right? Click on extract file. It has been extracted, as you can see. Now this is the file. So you open it. This is all the necessary file. So what you do now, you click on select all. Now you move all. As I said before, for yours, if you just follow the tutorial I give, here you will have public underscore HTML. You understand? Public underscore HTML will be here. But mine, because I'm using an add-on domain, I'm having tutorials here. So click move file to the main domain. Now I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. Now confirm. Now there is an install folder here which you can install yourself manually or just allow it install automatically. So let's do the automatic process, sorry, so that to make life easy. So just go to your domain name, copy your domain name, click on your website, go to your website slash install. So once you click on your website slash install, it's going to load and then come here like this. So the first thing it's going to confirm is if you have the right PHP version. So it's just telling you that the PHP version is correct. But what is not here is admin PHP extension, right? So you just have to go do is to change the is to check the admin PHP extension. So let's go do that. So on our PHP on our cPanel, just search for PHP, select PHP version, right? Click on it. Now on that select PHP version, remember he's saying that IMAP extension. Now it's requiring a form of 8.0 and I'm having 8.1. So let me just move it to 8.0. Then it will IMAP will automatically work. So I'll do that right now. So all right, so I've moved it to 8.0 as current. Then come back, reload it. So reload it. So it's still not showing IMAP. So let's just go turn it on. IMAP. So here's the panel. So this is it. You go to extension. Now look for IMAP. So I could just do control find. So IMAP. So then you check it. Now once you checked it, you come here, you refresh. Everything has worked. Now it's saying go to file permission. So upload, everything has been okay. Now set up database. Now database is the next important part. So I'm going to remove this. So you have your database username, database password, and database name. And your host is always localhost, so do not bother about that. So let's go back to cPanel. Search for database. I preferably use database wizard because it's more easier. So I'll just call this delete or DL is okay. So I'll use del again, and right here I'm going to click copy this. Then create user. Then once you're done with create user, all privilege, make changes. Once you do make changes, you come back. Now the username, I already copied it. The user database name, password. You understand? So you click on check database. Now it has been checked. Okay, so you enter your business name. So now you enter your business name. So your business name could be, for me, I would call this TTZ. Software license, admin, PHP travels. I just leave all these as normal. So I'm going to click on install. So all right, we have it installed now. As you can see, we have it installed. So this is our tutorials.com.ng. This is our admin. So we can go to our admin now. Your composer Japan is PHP 8.1 as needed. Okay, remember we changed the PHP version. So let's go take it to PHP 8.1. All right. So now you reload it. Okay, so this is the admin login. So you're gonna remove this password and everything. And remember, you they gave us the password, which we set. So this is the admin email and admin password. Now this is the admin password. So you're gonna enter the password and click on load. So you're gonna have this, as you can see. We have this zero bookings, 11 page, 4 users, as you can see. Now this is a very very broad platform, like a very very broad platform, and you have to be patient to understand everything on it, right? Sorry, you have to be patient to understand how everything functions. So the first part here, you have the alert. If there's any issue on the website, it will be notified. And on the second part here, you have the settings, which is the general settings. So your website, as you can see, license key, we did no. Website offline, no. Website currently offline. So this is your favicon, your logo, your homepage cover, your meta title, meta description. You have a lot of things here. This is your code, tracking code, if you want to use like any tracking code like Google Analytics, and you can also do live charts. Then you have your map and every necessary setup here. So the payment gateways that are necessary, you have PayPal, bank transfer, pay later, Stripe, wallet balance. So as a business in Nigeria, you can just set up bank transfer, so they make payment to you on bank transfer, or you use wallet balance to make payment. You understand? So the currency, you can always change currency to whatever currency that fits your business, right? As you can see, this is what you have, but you can add more currency. You can add Naira. So just click on here, status enable, the name, Naira, country, select the country, which is Nigeria. Then you enter the rates for USD. I don't know. As of now, I think US dollar is about 605 or something like that. Then you click on save, right? So your locations, countries that you fly, you see, you have already almost all the country in the world here. So are the countries, you have almost all of them here. So you don't have to do a lot of work again. Now the modules, as you can see, they are all available. So you have to go through it one after the other to actually understand. So here you have your user, admin, supplier, customer, agent. Now this is very broad. You have to go through it one after the other to understand. Now this is where your booking is done. Select type of booking, hotel, booking pending. So we have no booking yet. So we are coming to that. So here is your transactions. As you can see, this is where the transactions are found when anybody do any transaction. So this is a tour. Okay, is your tour that you have. If you're doing this tour kind of thing and people want to go, so they you choose it and then they can go from your platform, right? So this is the car part for the bookings of cars and all that. As you can see, you can book car, book your ride from here. So let's go to the front end so you see how it looks. All right. All right. So this is how it looks. As you can see, your trip start here. As you can see, these are all the setting that was on it. Remember when we were saying Dubai? If you go back, as you can see, these ones are the image, name, status for the flight, right? This is the flight, right? You can see check for the just the hotels. You can separate these are the hotels that are available. So you could put the hotel that are available in your country or your cities. So if we go for cars, remember we went to cars, you'll be able to see some of the cars that came with it. So you can add more cars and add the amount that you can use for booking it. All right. So if you go to the website, if you come to cars, as you can see, these are different cars that people can book for depending on the time frame that was set. So if you click on book, you go to cars booking, and then you fill the information that are necessary, and then you make your payment, and then you get the car sent to your location. You get the call or whatever means you're trying to use to do your booking, right? So this can also be used for hotel booking, as you can see. Can also be used for hotel booking. So for hotel, just come to hotels. If you want to go on tours, this platform they normally organize like booking.com, they organize tours that you can actually go for. Maybe um 3 people trip for, let's say, 250,000 naira, something like that. I don't know, but I've seen a lot of them. So these are hotel that you can stay in different places. Now this is customized to Dubai, but you can fix this to whatever you feel like. So this is how you actually make your bookings and change your currency here. You can select what currency you want to use. Now the default we're using is US dollars. So you can add your naira and make the naira default, and you can also change your language option here, as you can see. So this is our account. Now we are using an admin account. That's why it's actually like this, showing login and sign up, right? So that is everything for creating a booking website. So if you want to book a hotel, you come here, click on hotel. So you click on the hotel. Now as an admin, you should already have all this selected. So you can see this is everything about this hotel. This is nice. So you could come select your number of rooms. So you come here, as you can see, 1 USD, 200. So you could book one traveler, which is one. So you can set all this, right? Now these are just defaults. So these are default settings. You get the price, because normally the price for single is not the same price for bedroom apartment. And if you look at it, this is like 200, this is 100. So this is not the main price, but this is just default that came with it. So these are the option and the policy that you must follow before you book from them, right? And as an admin, you're going to add all this to the platform to ensure your user are actually good, right? So there's a same of notion. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can contact the admin of the website as a user, and then they can request that booking for you. You understand? So that is everything on how to use to create a hotel booking, flight booking, tour booking website. You understand, guys? So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on my next video. So bye for now.